Click on the link below to get price. The WEN 56455i Super Quiet 4500 watt RV-Ready Portable Inverter Generator is a robust solution for those in need of a reliable power source, particularly for RV enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. This generator stands out for its impressive combination of portability, efficiency, and quiet operation. One of the key features of the WEN 56455i is its 4,500 watt starting capacity and 3,700 watt running capacity, providing ample power for various appliances and electronics. It is perfect for powering RV air conditioners, televisions, and even microwave ovens without breaking a sweat. The generator operates at a mere 53 decibels at 25% load, making it one of the quietest generators in its class, which is a significant advantage during camping trips or tailgating events where noise can be a concern. Portability is another significant benefit, as the lightweight design and built-in wheels make it easy to transport. The compact frame fits nicely in an RV or the trunk of a vehicle. The fuel shutoff feature is a thoughtful addition that helps to prolong the life of the generator by allowing the engine to run until it uses up the remaining fuel, preventing the carburetor from gumming up. The WEN 56455i is also equipped with a variety of output options, including two 3-prong 120V receptacles, one 12V DC outlet, and two USB ports, accommodating a wide range of devices. The LED fuel gauge allows users to monitor fuel levels easily, ensuring the generator is ready to go when needed. However, it's essential to consider that while it boasts a powerful output, the weight may be slightly challenging for some users to handle without assistance. Additionally, like most generators, regular maintenance is required to keep it running optimally. In conclusion, the WEN 56455i Super Quiet 4500 watt RV-Ready Portable Inverter Generator is an excellent investment for anyone looking for dependable, efficient, and quiet power on the go. Its combination of features makes